How to download music from Spotify and listen to them offline. So first things first is pull up your phone and head over directly to Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. And if you're using an iOS, then head over directly to the Apple Store. Now, if this is going to be the first time downloading Spotify, you can actually get them for free. However, you won't be able to get this feature. So what you want to do is just to log into your account, and the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to locate settings, which is going to be the gear icon. So as you can see, you'll have to upgrade to Spotify's premium plans. So if you will be upgrading it, this is going to be the features that you will be getting. You can listen to music without ads in it. You can download to listen while offline. You can play the songs in any order, high audio quality, listen with friends in real time, organize listening queue and K-pop listening parties, and not in mini. So what you want to do is just to simply upgrade to Spotify Premium, and once you have chosen the specific music you wanted to be downloaded and listen to them offline, just simply choose or tap on the three dots at the right portion of that current track and just have to download it. And that's it. That's how you download music from Spotify and listen to them offline.